Hey everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Story. Today, we're taking Lily on a trip to visit her grandma. But before we blast off on this adventure, let's learn some important words we'll hear in the story. Plane, plane. Ticket, ticket. Airport, airport. Window seat, window seat. Aisle seat, aisle seat. Seatbelt, seatbelt. Takeoff, takeoff. Cloud, cloud. Land, land. Grammar point. We will focus on the present continuous tense, is / our plus verb ing, to describe what is happening in the story. Lily is very excited. Today is the day she's going to visit her grandma. She's been waiting for this trip for a long time. Lily holds her ticket tightly in her hand. It's a small piece of paper with her name, the flight number, and the time of departure written on it. You need a ticket to get on the plane. Lily arrives at the airport with her parents. The airport is a big and busy place with lots of people coming and going. There are airplanes parked outside, waiting to take off and fly to different places. Lily checks in at the counter and gets her boarding pass. This is another small piece of paper that tells her which gate to go to and what her seat number is. Now, it's time to find her gate. At the gate. Lily walks with her parents to her gate. There are other passengers waiting there too. Some people are reading books, some are talking on their phones, and some are looking out the window at the airplanes. Lily's dad asks her, "Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?" A window seat is a seat next to the window, so you can look outside. An aisle seat is next to the walking area in the middle of the plane. "Window seat, please," says Lily. She wants to see the clouds and the world from above. Boarding the plane. The announcement comes over the speaker, "Attention passengers for Flight 202 to New York City. Boarding will begin shortly." Lily hears her flight number called and gets in line with her parents. One by one, passengers show their boarding passes and board the plane. Lily walks down the airplane hallway and finds her seat. It has a number on it, so she knows it's hers. She sits down and buckles her seatbelt. This is a belt that keeps you safe during the flight. Lily looks around the airplane. There are rows and rows of seats, and people are settling in. Flight attendants, who are people who help passengers on the plane, are walking up and down the aisles checking on everyone. Taking off. Finally, everyone is on board, and the airplane doors close. The engines start to make a loud noise. Lily feels a little nervous, but mostly excited. She's about to fly in the sky. The airplane slowly starts to move forward. It picks up speed and then lifts off the ground. Lily looks out the window and sees the airport getting smaller and smaller. The houses and cars below look like tiny toys. The airplane is now flying high above the clouds. They look like fluffy white mountains from up here. Lily has never been this high before. She feels a little strange in her ears, but it's nothing to worry about. There's a small TV screen on the back of the seat in front of Lily. She can watch movies, listen to music, or play games on it. She decides to watch a cartoon to pass the time. A flight attendant comes down the aisle with a cart full of food and drinks. Would you like anything to eat or drink? She asks Lily. Yes, please, says Lily. Can I have a juice box and some crackers? The flight attendant gives Lily her snacks and a small bag of peanuts. Lily enjoys her food while watching her cartoon. Landing. After a while, an announcement comes over the speaker again. Attention passengers, we are beginning our descent into New York City. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Lily looks out the window and sees that the clouds are getting lower. She can also see buildings and houses in the distance. Disembarking. The announcement comes on again. We have arrived at our gate. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Lily waits patiently until the flight attendant gives the signal, then she unbuckles her seatbelt. Lily stands up and gathers her belongings. She follows her parents down the aisle and off the airplane. They walk down a long hallway and take an escalator down to the baggage claim area. Baggage claim. This is where all the suitcases and bags that passengers checked in before the flight come out on a conveyor belt. Lily looks for her family's suitcases on the belt. They finally see them and grab them. Meeting Grandma. Lily is so excited that she can barely contain herself. She walks out of the airport doors and scans the crowd for her grandma. There she is, standing by a pillar, holding a sign with Lily's name on it. Lily runs towards her grandma and gives her a big hug. "Grandma, I missed you," she exclaims. "I missed you too, Lily," her grandma replies, hugging her back tightly. "It's so good to see you. Did you have a good flight?" Lily tells her grandma all about her trip, from checking in at the airport to seeing the clouds from above. She even shows her the snacks she got on the plane. Lily is finally at her grandma's house, ready for a fun-filled visit. She's learned a lot about flying and can't wait for her next adventure. Remember, we used the present continuous tense, is/our plus verb ing, throughout the story to describe what was happening. For example, Lily is walking, the airplane is taking off, Lily is watching a cartoon. I hope you enjoyed this story. Let us know in the comments below what kind of adventures you'd like to see Lily go on next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily English stories.